Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing good at your places, plus revising your concepts on daily basis. You all are not going outside now? Don't have to go outside, okay? You all are my good students. So you all have to obey your teacher. Yes. So students, I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. I am your teacher. So you can ask me anytime, call me anytime, message me anytime regarding your academics or any part, right? Wherever you need help, you can ask me. Okay, so students, this is a new session. So in this session, we are going to cover our writing skills book. As you know, the very first subject which I'll introduce every day is your English subject. So kindly bring out your writing skills book which is there on screen. So on screen, this is your child-centric writing skills book. Okay, students, I hope so that you all have bring out your writing skills book. Plus, you all have pencils, sharp pencils in your hand. So let's open your book. Come on page number 1515 from your book. Open this page number. If you want to cross check it, so you have to wait. Okay, you have to open page number 1414. Okay, open page number 1414 from your book. As you see, this is your page number 1414. Okay, which page number is this? 1414. Fine. Okay, so students, as you know that we had covered our unit till E, right? So there is a mixed exercise related to your each unit, your unit A, your unit B, C, D, E, right? In each unit, I'll introduce you a new letter with some words, right? The three letter words I'll introduce. Like in our unit A, we did A letter, so the sound is A. Then in the next we did E letter, so the sound is I, right? I letter, E, O letter, O, U letter as well. है ना? In our recently sessions, I'll introduced you U sound three letter word. So what is the sound? It's A, right? So today we are going to do मिक्स्ड एक्सरसाइज. ठीक है, आज हम मिक्स्ड एक्सरसाइज करेंगे विच इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल योर यूनिट्स, ताकि आपकी अच्छे से रिविजन हो, रिकॉग्निशन हो. ठीक है, फोनिक साउंड्स आपको और इम्प्रूव हो. ठीक है, सो टुडे वी आर डूइंग आर पेज नंबर 1414. Before doing this worksheet, what you have to do, you have to fill the topmost column. Here you have to write the date, as well as you have to circle the day. What is the day today? You have to circle it, and then go outside, check the weather today, and circle the clip art. Fine. This task you have to do by on, and then we will just start. Okay. Now, students, you have to be over here. See, first of all, what you observe in this worksheet, see, there are sentence given to you as well as there are the clip arts given to you, है ना? और आपको space provided है where you have to write the correct word. ठीक है? You have to see these pictures. ये जो आपको small small clip arts given है, you have to see them, recognize it, what is this, and then write the word in the given space. आफ्टर राइटिंग दोज वर्ड्स, आफ्टर कंप्लीटेड द होल सेंटेंस, है ना? बिकॉज अगर यहाँ पर आप वर्ड्स नहीं राइट डाउन करोगे, सो दैट सेंटेंस इज इनकम्प्लीट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फिल द ब्लैंक स्पेस एंड देन रीड द होल सेंटेंस, ताकि उसका कुछ मीनिंग क्रिएट हो, अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी डेवलप हो व्हेन यू read the whole sentence. Okay, so what we will do today, we will first of all recognize these pictures, write the correct word in the given space, and then read the whole sentence to understand the meaning, that what is the meaning of that particular sentence. Okay, now you all have to come down. Let's see what we have to do. यूज पिक्चर्स क्लू. ये जो आपको गिवन पिक्चर्स है, ये क्लूज है आपके लिए, ताकि आप इस सेंटेंस को क्या कर सको, कंप्लीट कर सको. ठीक है, सो वी विल यूज दिस क्लू टू आंसर द होल सेंटेंस. ओके, चलो वन बाय वन वी विल डू. Take your pencil in your hand, students. First of all, we will recognize it and then we will write it. Okay, students, so let's start with the very first picture. So, what is this? Ma'am, this is her and a hen. Very good. So, it is already written. What you have to do? You just have to trace it. Anna? Okay, see this picture. What is this? Ma'am, this is egg, leg. Very good. This is leg, right? So you just have to trace it over here. Leg is already written. You just have to trace it. So tracing you have to do by own. First of all, हम क्या करेंगे? We will fill the words over here. Okay? Then we will one by one we will read all the sentences. Okay. Now see this picture. What is this? Ma'am, m and men. Very good. So here you have to write with phonic sound. M sound come from m, m, a, sound come from e, m, a, n. N sound come from n, m and men. Okay, the next picture is, this is yummy, yummy jam, right? So here what you have to write? J, J, A. A sound come from A, J, A, M. Jam, J, M, jam, right? Okay, come on the next picture. What is this? First of all, you have to fill those given space, then we will read it. Okay. Now, see this picture. What is this? Ma'am, this is rat. This is very naughty. The rat. So sound come from R. Sound come from A. T. Sound come from letter T. Rat. Right? Okay. See the next one. What is there? This is a bed. Bed. So here you have to write a the sound come from D. Bed. This is a bed, right? Okay. See the next one. What is this? Ma'am, this is a cat. She is a cute cat, right? So here you have to write cat. K sound come from C, K, A, K, A, T. T sound come from letter T. K, A, T, cat. Try to make formation same, right? At a cat. Okay, see the next one. What is this? Ma'am, this is rug. R sound come from R. R, A, U. A sound come from U. G. G sound come from G. So students, this worksheet is a mixture, or you can say combined वर्कशीट ऑफ ऑल योर यूनिट्स. ओके, तो इससे आपकी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस होगी, आपको लेटर रिकॉग्निशन होंगी, इवन यू विल रिकॉग्नाइज द पिक्चर्स, फोनिक साउंड्स. ओके, सो इट्स अ कंप्लीट पैकेज जो आपको बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करेगा. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज it's fan. Four sound come from F, right? So here you have to write for A, for A. No sound come from N, for N, fan, for N, fan, right? Okay, now see, what is this? Do you have this? Yes, ma'am, this is a bag. Yes, this is right. So both sound come from B, letter B. So here you have to write B, B. Acha, tell me what is the next sound, ma'am? A sound come from A. Very good. B A G. G sound come from G. B A G bag. Okay, students. Here the ending sound is ag, right? Okay, now see what is this? Who will tell me? Ma'am, this is ma and a man. We do it in our previous sentence. Yes, this is ma and a men. Right? So here you have to write ma. Hurry up, students. I am waiting for you that you are making the correct formation or not. Hurry up. Yes, this is m and men. What is this? M and men. Very good. The next one is p and pen. What is this? P and pen. This is a cute k at a cat. Here, what you have to write? K at a cat. Okay, and this one I know. This is a web. है ना? This is a spider web. Have you ever seen it? No, ma'am, I don't see in it. Okay, it's fine, no problem. It's look like this. This is a web. This is the spider home, right? This is a web. Okay, so now what? I hope so that you have write all these words in the given space. Now, one by one, we will read all the sentences. So for that, you have to come on top. Fatafat say you have to come over here and we will start reading. So the very first sentence is the. What is this? This is a sight words, right? So what? How we have to pronounce it? The h and hen. The h and hen is near. The hen is near the leg. hen कहाँ है? hen is near the leg के पास है, right? Okay, come on the next sentence. The the men eat eat. The men eat jam. The men eat jam. If we are talking about these men, so what they eat jam, है ना? You also like jam and bread, है ना? Bread jam आपको भी पसंद है? So these men eat jam, right? Okay, the next is the rat is. The rat is un. See, this is a big word, na? So you have to split it in two halves. Un, der, under. Un, der. So how we have to pronounce this word? Under. The rat is under the at the bed. Where is the rat? Rat कहाँ है? Under means नीचे. Where is the rat? The rat is under the bed. Bed के नीचे है, right? You have to be careful with that word. कि what is the meaning of that word? Under means नीचे, right? Okay, come to the next sentence, students. Yes, this one. The the cat is is. The cat is on. On कहाँ पर use होता है? When something is above something. ठीक है? अगर कोई चीज किसी चीज के ऊपर होती है, then we will use on. The cat is on the rug. Where is the cat? Cat कहाँ थी? इस rug के ऊपर थी. The cat is on the rug. Fine. Okay, come on the next sentence. The fan. The fan. Okay, here you have to correct the formation. Okay, like this. You have to write fan. For there is a mistake while writing this F, so you have to correct it over here. For an fan, right? The for an fan is the fan is in. in means when something is inside. अगर कोई चीज किसी चीज के अंदर है, inside है, then we will use in. The fan is in the bag. Where is the fan? Fan कहाँ है? इस bag के अंदर है, inside है. The fan is in the bag. Where is the fan? In this bag. Okay. Now read the next sentence. The men, the men, were have, the men have a and a pen. Men के पास क्या है? The men have a pen. Just like if I'm asking you, do you have a pen? So you can say, yes, I have a pen. So these men are having a pen. What they have? They have a pen, right? Okay, come on the next sentence. Okay, I think this one is the last sentence. Okay, so we will read it. The cat saw, the cat saw a web. Cat ने क्या देखा? The cat saw a web. Whose web is this? Spider web. So the cat saw a web. What the cat saw? Cat saw a web. Okay, so students, you all have to, first of all, you have to write the correct word in the given space, and then one by one you have to read those sentences. Reading sentence doesn't mean that you only have to read, you also have to understand while reading those sentences. Okay, so that is the today task in your English subject. Now we will come towards our creative work. Okay, students, so now you have to bring out your drawing files with yourself because we are starting our creative work now. Okay, so you all have to bring out your drawing files, okay, as well as you all have to bring out your crayons and pencil. A sharp pencil should be there, plus eraser. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Till then, you have to bring out all the material which is required in creative: crayons, drawing file, a sharp pencil, and eraser. Hurry up. Okay, students, I hope so that you all have bring out your drawing file as well as your pencil and erasers with you. So students, what we will do today? Yes, we are making something today, right? So before that, you have to write the date on top. Okay, uh, you have to open a new worksheet, fine, and on top you have to mention the date on top. Right here, whenever you start your studies, whenever you are doing any new thing, so you have to write a date on top, fine. And today I'll introduce you a new shape. As you know, in the previous session, I'll introduce you a shape which is triangle, right? I told you that how you have to make a triangle. See, in the previous sessions, we had covered a circle shape, a triangle. So what's next? Today, I'll introduce you a new shape, which is square. Which shape is this? Square, right? So today, I'll introduce you which shape? Square shape. But before that, you must know which shape is this? This is circle. Which shape is this? This is circle, right? सो आई वांट कि आपकी जैसे कलर रिकॉग्निशन इतनी स्ट्रांग है, वैसे ही शेप रिकॉग्निशन शुड आल्सो बी स्ट्रांग, राइट? सो व्हिच शेप इज दिस? सर्कल. दिस इज राउंड राउंड सर्कल, राइट? एंड which shape is the next one? This is triangle. Why we call it triangle? Because this shape is having three sides, right? So this is a triangle. And what we made today? Today we are making a square, right? So on top, in the middle of your art sheet, you have to write square. 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 You have to give the caption square. What we draw today? We draw a square, right? So I told you how you have to draw a square. First of all, students, I want to tell you कि square is a four sided figure. Okay, जिसमें आप four lines से draw करते हो square को. It is a closed figure and made up of four lines. Four lines से बनी होती है. There are four sides, four lines, and this is a closed figure. हर एक साइड जो है, हर एक जो लाइन है, दैट इज ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ. ठीक है, इक्वल लेंथ की होगी. सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ square, right? So first of all, you have to make a straight line. What you have to draw, you have to draw a straight line like this. Okay, again you have to make a straight line from one end. Okay, you have to pick any one end and make a straight line. What you have to do, you have to pick one end and make a straight line like this. Okay, again you have to come on the next end. Okay, the leftover end, you have to come on this end and make a straight line similar to it. Okay, in this way you have to draw a line. Now what you have to do, you have to join both of the lines with the one more straight line. See, it's so simple now, right? Find it simple or not? You can also enlarge your line and join it. Fine. So this one is wait. So this one is your square, right, students? So this is done now. Yes. So it's done. So which shape is this? This is square. The square is four line closed figure, or you can say four sided closed figure. How? See, this one is the one side, this is second side, third and fourth. So this is a square, right? One more time I will tell you that how you can make a square like this. Okay, so this one is your square. Fine. So today you have to draw a square shape and then you have to pick any of your favorite color. Right, I am taking the yellow one and do it in your square. Okay, you have to do coloring in the same direction. Don't take coloring out of the image, right? Do coloring in same direction. Take ample amount of time to complete it. Fine. Again I am picking one more color. I'll take the blue color and do it in the second square, right? So students, it's very much important कि आपको shape recognition भी हो. This is your अभी तक till now I will introduce you only three shapes. First one is circle, second one is triangle, and the third one is, today I'll introduce you a new shape which is square. This is your shape square, right? So that's it for today. So this is your creative work which you have to cover today. Okay, and send your homework by tomorrow morning. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.